In 2 minutes, I want us to learn how to make a thumbnail. So what you do, you go to Canva, you click, then you'll go to create a design. From the create design, you click YouTube thumbnail. The size is 1280 by 720. So you click. Now templates will pop up. You can select the template that most suits your content. You can see there are so many kind of templates. So you have so many to choose from, and you can still search for me if you're not interested with these ones. But just for training purposes, let me just pick one. Which one do I pick? Let me just pick this one. So from this one, we can adjust a few things. Maybe here we can put, we can say money, and then here we can say something to do with online. And then we can reduce to fit. So we can just drag to extend it by just deleting. As you can see, these ones are movable. You can move up and down. This one you can still move. Yes, and you can also change the font, as you can see vertically. Yes, another one says make money online. Just a sample. So it will depend with you. So you can write whatever you want. You can decide to remove everything. But because I just wanted us to see how we can make a thumbnail, let's try and see. So we can still change this photo here. Just come in under elements, search whatever you want. Me want to search money. When you search money, you'll have so many options. So you can just pick one photo. Which one do I pick? Which one? Let me just pick this one. The replace. See how it's looking. So we have the money and the arrow there pointing your message. It says make money online. So this one looks a bit good. You can use it for our YouTube video. So you just click here, share, scroll down, you click download, and then you can download. There it goes. Let's see how it looks like. Sorry, this is how it looks. Looks nice. So this thumbnail is the first thing that someone sees. So what will be appearing before they click to view your video. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.